Now, for one difference between a scope like this, a digital scope, is this normal. The default is the center is the trigger point.
Okay.
So instead of this trace characters changing from left to right, it changes from center out. So
Okay.
if I change this, it's going to.
I think you can probably change that.
You probably can change it. I'm sure you can, but
Yeah.
that's the default. And yeah, so
Is it desirable to change that?
it's up to you. It probably doesn't make a lot of difference.
Okay.
The reason it may be desirable. So if you figure out how to do that,
So what are you adjusting as you're doing that?
this is the sweep rate. That's this knob.
Okay.
It's a sweep rate.
What does that mean, tweak rate?
Sweep rate. The sweep rate. How fast the beam.
Gotcha.
There's no beam.
Okay.
How fast it
But is
goes
it,
across.
okay. So even though it's multi-mode, it's stable in this multi-mode?
Well, it's because it's warmed up. That's why it's
Okay.
changing, but it's changing really slowly. Assuming it's
You want it
running.
to change faster or no?
Well, if it's stable because it's warmed up, it's
Oh, you mean
reached
the
thermal
laser's
the
warmed up.
laser has
Gotcha.
reached thermal
Okay.
equilibrium.
Gotcha.
I mean, if you look closely, it is changing. It's just very slowly now. It may be simpler to understand if we use the blanking instead of trigger.
So you're using that to change the
Change it.
blue.
Change how fast it's sweeping. So.
Okay. Is that
Yeah, so
when it's
you might
wide
want to figure out how to change it to the left. It probably is easier if we can change this to be the left of the screen, screen. I'm sure there's a trivial way to do that. Time based, delayed, no. No, that's all right. Don't want it to be delayed. Well, you can figure out how to do that because it'll be
I
simple.
never will figure out. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to do monkey see, monkey do to test the SLM of the Genesis to start.
Yeah, I'm just saying it's simpler to interpret if it starts at the left because from here to
Well,
here.
let's figure out how to move. What do you call that?